Compared to reaching for the mouse or navigating a menu, a single keyboard shortcut shaves a moment of your task. This might not seem like much, but add up all those saved moments over a week or a month, and you are gaining a substantial chunk of time. That's why it's important to know as many shortcuts as possible for your operating system. So in this video I am going to share 5 essential keyboard shortcuts. So let's begin. No matter what program you are running, Ctrl+Z roll back your last action. Whether you have just overwritten an entire paragraph in Microsoft Word or deleted a file if you didn't mean to, this one is an absolute lifesaver. Another shortcut that works just about everywhere, Ctrl+W will close down whatever you are viewing. Shut that file explorer window, browser tab, or open image file without bothering to hone in on the close button. This command lets you highlight all the text in a document or select all the files in a folder. Hitting Ctrl+A can save your time you would otherwise spend clicking and dragging your mouse. This is one of the classic Windows shortcuts and it can be hugely used when you are running multiple applications. Just press Altogether plus Tab and you will be able to quickly flick through all your open windows. Another old school shortcut, Altogether plus function 4, shuts down active apps so you can skip the process of hunting down their on-screen menus. Don't worry about losing unsaved works with this command, it will prompt you to save your document before closing them. In this channel you will get more interesting videos like this, so subscribe and stay tuned.